Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we are going for an off-road trail POV in this 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks with the all-new Sasquatch package. That gives us a lot of new goodies: front bumper, steel and rear steel bumper, upgraded suspension. Here the Outer Banks does get from the Badlands the twin electronic rear clutch system, so like the electronic locking diff. As you can see, we've already been up the trail once because we have a full review, top right hand corner, where we go more into depth on the capabilities of this Ford Bronco Sport. And don't worry about the paint. This is, it's fine. It's in the clear coat, it'll buff out, it'll be okay. And hey, listen, this press car is meant to be showcasing what this Bronco Sport can do, and that's what we intend to do today. So we're gonna hit a trail, going up that mountain, and without further ado, I think we shall jump on in. And yes, I do highly recommend checking out our full review because we made it up that trail the first time, and we didn't quite know if we have the capability in the Bronco Sport to do it. And we'll need to employ some help from Jesse, who's down there getting some B-roll for the review. So yeah, this will be a fun one. With that being said, I'll try not to chime in too much. Switch her into off-road mode right away. Our lights into daytime running lights for the B-roll, so we don't blind the cameras. Now off we go. We get the camera right away here, which is really nice, permanently displayed, and four-wheel drive is on lock mode. So we'll see where we'll see if we can get up there easy or not. It's possible. Obvious disclaimer, it's not going to look as good on camera as it actually is. Like, it's going to look way less intense for you than it really is, trust me. This is quite a good trail for the Bronco Sport. So far so good, easy start, just gotta, get a little banking going. We're at 12 degrees upwards, 5 degrees sideways, just slipping a little bit on our Goodyear tires, and now we're gonna need to employ some help from Jesse here to get that branch out of the way. All right, thank you, Jesse. I'll try to stay as far to the right as we can. I look like a goof with my camera on. Okay, it's tight. Slipping on the right-hand side. And we're good, okay. So let's actually gonna fold this mirror in. Just there you go. Just to give us a little more clearance. Remain in four-wheel drive, lock, and, well, four-wheel drive. And remain with our rear diff unlocked. Slipping a little bit. This is a tight fit, but we're good. We've already tested this. Like I said, yes, it takes a little bit of abuse, but that's what this car is made for. If you want to showcase the capabilities, we'll have to get our hands dirty a little bit, but we still treat it with as much respect as possible, obviously. Very steady on the throttle here with our inline 3 turbo 4-banger, and now here we got to care because we got that ridge that's washed out on the left-hand side, but that's okay. And now this is going to get very tight. It's a very overgrown trail today. Hasn't really been used as much this season, unfortunately. There were a couple of storms, trees were blocking it, so it's just not as frequented so much, which means all these little branches unfortunately do stick in a little bit. Now at this point, I do want to unbuckle. Sorry, I know I'm commenting on everything right now, but like, you wanted some context because we do have a root on the left-hand side, which you might be seeing back there. So we will just want to go past that, get her over as much as possible, and then turn her right. Whew, that's a little more than I bargained for. And now we're gonna just get her up and straight. We're clearing left, okay. I'm gonna get nice and slow, 2 pedal driving here. Okay. Good. Now for the most challenging part of our drive is a 20-degree uphill on loose soil, lots of big rocks. So that won't be easy whatsoever. But we'll get there, we'll get there. Just gotta squeeze our way through here, not run Jesse over. Okay, in our review we needed the diff lock here. We'll see if we can make it without. We'll split left-hand side for drama. We could probably go right, but hey. We want to test this car, right? We want to test the all-wheel drive system. So we'll see if we can... No diff lock, no diff lock, no diff lock. Just steady throttle, steady throttle. Steady throttle, steady throttle does it. There you go. There you go. We right away knew how to approach it and made it up there without too many struggles. Now, want to make sure we get across here. Yeah, just feel those rocks. And now we got some big ones we want to avoid. So we're going to right away bring her back over. There's a bit of a drop here and a big rock we want to avoid. So as soon as we're clear, come on, get her over here. That's our rear wheel struggle to get us the grip, but we're okay. Now get through here, get through here. And now we can put her right back over because there's another big rock here on the left-hand side that we're avoiding. So get over there. Another one here, which we're probably going to hit straight on. So just want to get aligned. Let's see, it is. Oh, actually, no, we just slipped off it. That's fine. And now bring her over to the right-hand side. Okay. Big rock once again. Steady throttle, steady throttle. Slight blips on it whenever needed. And there we go. That is the uphill section of the trail done in POV perspective. Downhill is always pretty fun too. I actually haven't done it downhill yet, but we'll do that specifically for the review in our B-roll. So if you want to see the downhill pass, make sure to check out that review, which is on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to, make sure to like and subscribe. We do all sorts of POV drives and reviews here, from off-roading to Baja running and just regular city driving, night driving, sports cars. We do it all. So like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.